Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we discussed about eccentric angle and the equation of the tangent at theta, that is x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b equal to 1. The normal, what is the student? Normal at theta is ax by cos theta minus by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Theta means a cos theta comma b sin theta, that is the parametric point. Okay students, so today we are going to discuss about some different models based on the concept related to tangent and normal. Okay students, the first one, tangent and normal to the ellipse. X square plus 4y square equal to 4. At the point P theta, on it meets the major axis in the points Q and R. What is the students? Meets the major axis at Q and R respectively, and the QR is given by 2. Then so that theta is the cos inverse of 2 pi by 3. Dear students, the given ellipse is x square 4y square equal to 4. Now this is divided by 4. That is the students x square by 4 y square by 1 equal to 1. What is the students? This is x square by 4 plus y square by 1 equal to 1. Now students, we can written as the equation of the tangent. The equation of the tangent at P theta. What is the students? Equation of the tangent at P theta is. So that is the students x cos theta by a y sin theta by b equal to 1. So students, this is, we are taken as the ellipse. Now this is the P theta. So the tangent meets the major axis. This is the major axis, the students. This is what? Major axis at Q. This is the center. Is it clear students? So on the x axis y coordinate is 0. So students, on the x axis y equal to 0, on the x axis y 0. So students, this is x cos theta by a plus 0 equal to 1, x equal to a by cos theta. This is the students q equal to a by cos theta comma 0. What is the students? Q is the students, directly we can written as a by cos theta comma 0. This is the Q. My dear students, now this is the normal. So the normal at the P theta meets the major axis at the R. What is the students? R. So the equation of the normal, dear students, the equation of the normal at P theta. What is the students? The equation of the normal at P theta to the ellipse is ax by cos theta minus by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Ax by cos minus by sin equal to a square minus b square. So students, this is a square is the 4, a is the 2x by cos theta. So students, b square is the 1, b is the 1. That is the students y by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. 4 minus 1 is the 3. So students, this is also meets the major axis at R. On the x axis, how to write? On the x axis, y will be the 0. This is the 0 by sin theta is the 0. Dear students, the 2x by cos theta 0 equal to 3. So students, 3 into cos theta, 3 into cos theta by 2. This is the students 3 cos theta by 2, that is x. Now students, the R point is the 3 cos theta by 2 comma 0. So my dear students, what is the given that QR is the 2, then so that theta is the cos inverse of 2 by 3. My dear students, how can you write the QR? How to write the students the QR? This is what? My dear students, the QR is the 2. This is the QR is the students. Right now the point Q. The point Q is the students A cos theta. A is the students, what is the A is the 2, that is 2 cos theta by 0. R is the students 3 cos theta by 2 comma 0. How to write the QR? This is the total length CQ minus CR, that is the students, the CQ is 2 by cos theta minus 3 cos theta by 2 equal to 2. Is it clear students? How can you write this is CQ minus CR. CQ is the 2 by cos theta minus 3 cos theta by 2. Now students, we can find the theta equal to, the LCM is the 2 cos theta, that is 4 minus 3 cos square theta equal to 2 into 2 is the 4 cos theta. These are all sending to the other side. 3 cos square theta plus 4 cos theta plus 4 will be sending other side minus 4. Dear students, 3 4s are 12. Now this is 3 cos square theta. 6, what is the students we can written as 6 cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 4 equal to 0. My dear students, what we taken? 3 cos theta is the common, cos theta plus 2 minus 2 is the common. So dear students, what is that? Cos theta minus 2. So dear students, what we observed here, this is the, what is students, just wait 1 minute. This is the 2 2 the 4, this is minus, these are all sending other side, minus 3 cos square theta plus 4 minus 4. This is the students, 3 4s are 12, therefore 6 2s are. Yes students, now this is how to write the students when we are taking here minus 2 is the common, undoubtedly this is plus. Therefore students, 3 cos theta minus 2, after that cos theta plus 2 equal to 0. So dear students, theta we can prove that 2 cos inverse, what is there students? 3 cos theta equal to 2. Cos theta equal to 2 by 3. This is our required question. Theta equal to cos inverse of 2 by 3. What is the students? Theta is the cos inverse of 2 by 3. Write down students. Now students, the question number 2. Any two cards, if any two cards be drawn through the if any two cards drawn to the 2 points on the major axis, dear students, of the ellipse x square by a square, y square by b square equal to 1, equidistance from the center. Equidistance from the center. Okay, students. Then prove that tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2, tan of gamma by 2, tan of delta by 2 equal to 1, where alpha, beta, gamma are the eccentric angles of the extremities of the card. Where alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the eccentric angles, are the students eccentric angles of the extremities of the card. So students, what is the question? If any two cards be drawn to the 2 points on the major axis of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, which are equidistant from the center, then prove that tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2 into tan gamma by 2 into tan delta by 2 is the 1, where alpha, beta, gamma are the eccentric angles. What is the students? Eccentric angles of the extremities of the card. Dear students, here, so this is the card where alpha, q, beta. So this is at a distance from the center c comma 0. The another card is the students. This is the another card. R, this is gamma, this is a delta. So this is at a distance minus c comma 0. What is the students? This is the point minus c comma 0. So this is 0. So these are equidistant. So these two cards are equidistant from the center 0 comma 0. These cards are passing through the points. Those are lies on major axis. So this point lies on major axis. This is also lies on major axis. My dear students, we have to know that equation of the PQ. What is the students? Equation of the PQ. Yesterday we discussed about the equation of the chord joining alpha and beta is, where alpha and beta are the eccentric angles of the ellipse. That is the students x by a cos of alpha plus beta by 2. After that students y by b sin of alpha plus beta by 2. This is cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Okay students, what is this student passing through this card is passes through the c comma 0. So the x is c, y is 0. That is the students c by a cos of alpha plus beta by 2. This is what? 0. Cos of alpha minus beta by 2. My dear students, how can you write? This will be sending other side. Cos of alpha minus beta by 2 upon cos of alpha plus beta by 2 is there c by a. How to write this is the students? This is, we can apply the CD, componendo, dividendo. Apply on both sides, componendo, dividendo. Apply the method. Apply on both sides componendo dividendo. This is the students cos of alpha minus beta by 2. What is the students? Minus cos of alpha plus beta by 2. Upon we are taking the plus sign between them. Cos of alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos of alpha plus beta by 2. This is alpha minus beta by 2 plus cos of alpha plus beta by 2. Dear students, we are taken as C minus A upon C plus A. What is the students? The C minus A upon C plus A. So student, this is what? Alpha by 2 minus beta by 2. This is alpha by 2 plus beta by 2. Cos of A minus B minus cos A plus B. That is the students 2 sin alpha by 2 into sin beta by 2. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is the students 2 cos A cos B. This is the 2 cos alpha by 2 cos beta by 2, that equal to C minus A by C plus A. Dear students, this is what? To do cancel sin by cos tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2, that is C minus A by C plus A. C minus A by C plus A. Okay students? Right now students, how can you write? The next one is the equation of the RS, that is passing through the, dear student, minus C comma 0. So dear student, the equation, similarly the equation of the RS which is also passing through the minus C comma 0. This is the students minus C by A. How to write the student? Simply you can written as cos of gamma minus delta by 2 cos of gamma plus delta. This step I will take directly. Similarly, the cos of gamma minus delta by 2 cos of gamma plus delta by 2 equal to minus C by A. What is the students? Minus C by A. So we can apply the componendo dividendo. That is what students? Directly written as tan of gamma by 2 into tan delta by 2. That is the students minus C minus A minus C minus A minus C plus A. So students, we are taking the minus is the common in the numerator. Minus is the common in the numerator, that will be sending to the denominator, or both numerator and denominator are multiple with minus. Minus is the plus, this is A, this is C minus A. Is it clear students? Numerator and denominator we have to multiple with minus. This is what? C plus A, this is C minus A. My dear students, after the multiplication, what is there? Tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 into tan gamma by 2 into tan delta by 2 is the students, that is what? 1. So directly we can written as the students that tan of alpha by 2 into tan of beta by 2 tan of gamma by 2 into tan of delta by 2, that is equal to 1. So C minus A by C plus A into C plus A by C minus A, this is directly equal to 1. Okay students, write down, that is what? 1. Okay. Now students, the third question. Write down students, if the tangent if a tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 meets the major and minor axis, meets the major and the minor axis, meets the major and minor axis at m and n. At m and n. Okay, students. Then prove that a square by cm square, b square by cn square equal to 1, where c is the center, where c is the center of the ellipse, where c is the center of the ellipse. Okay, students, all of you proceed. The tangent meets the major and the minor axis respectively at m and n. Then prove that a by cm square plus b square by cm square equal to 1. Dear students, what we observed here, this is what center C. This is the major axis at m, minor axis at n. So students, x cos theta by a, y sin theta by b equal to 1, that is tangent at p theta. This is the students tangent at p theta, x cos theta by a, y sin theta by b. On the x axis, y is the 0. So students, m is, how can you write y 0? X is the students a by cos theta comma 0. Similarly students, the n equal to x is the 0, y is the students b by sin theta. Is there left hand side a square by cm square, b square by cn square. Dear students, the a square upon c is the center. Cm is, what is the Cm is? The Cm is the a by cos theta. Cm square is the students a square by cos square theta. Similarly, the b square by cn of length. What is the cn? b by sin theta. So student, this is b square by sin square theta. A square cancel. This is what? Cos square theta. This is what students? Sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is the value 1. Okay students, write down the cos square theta plus sin square theta value is the 1. Okay. Dear students, the next one, if Pn is the ordinate, my dear students, if Pn is the ordinate of P on the ellipse x square by a square, y square by b square equal to 1. Pn is the ordinate of P on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and the tangent at P what is the students? And the tangent at P meets the x-axis, at t, meets the x-axis at t, then so that then so that Ct into Cn, what is the student? Ct into Cn is the a square, where C is the center of the ellipse, where C is the center of the ellipse. Write down, students. Here, this is the students what we observed here. This is also quite simple, students. First we take PDA point, that is a cos theta b sin theta. This is the Pn is the ordinate. What is the students? Pn is the ordinate. Pn is the ordinate. So students, this is the b sin theta. Pn is the b sin theta. This is the a cos theta. A cos theta comma 0. Now students, what is given that the tangent at P meets the x-axis at T. Meets the x-axis at T. So, dear students, we know that the tangent at P. What is the students? Tangent at P. P theta to the ellipse, that is nothing but x cos theta by A, y sin theta by B. X cos theta by A plus y sin theta by B equal to 1. So students, on the x-axis, everybody know that y coordinate is 0. On the x-axis, dear students, y will be the 0. So when we are taking the 0, that is x equal to a by cos theta. What is the students? When we are taking this is 0, x equal to a by cos theta. So students, the point T is the students a by cos theta comma 0. This is the students a by cos theta comma 0. Now we find Cn. What is the solution, students? Cn, the left hand side is there. Ct into Cn. What is the Ct? Ct is the students a by cos theta. Ct is the students a by cos theta. That is a by cos theta. What is the Cn? The Cn of length, dear students, a cos theta. Dear students, the Ct is the a by cos theta. Cn is the students a cos theta. These are cancelled. So students, this is what? A square. What is the students? A into a square. So Ct into Cn is the a square. That is nothing but RHS. Okay students, write down. Dear students, the next question, CB the center. CB the center. CB the center. Okay students, after that A dash and B dash are the major and minor axis of the ellipse. Are the major and minor axis of the ellipse x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1. If Pn if Pn is the students ordinate of Pn is the students ordinate of P on the ellipse, Pn is the ordinate of the point, Pn is the ordinate of P on the ellipse, then so that my dear students, then so that Pn square upon A dash n into An is the students BC square by BC whole square by CA square. So dear students, what we observed here, the Pn is the ordinate. What is the students? Pn is the ordinate. So this is what, dear students, just we observe. This is an ellipse. Write down students. Pn is the ordinate. C is the center. This is A dash is the major axis. B dash is the minor axis. P is the students A cos theta, B sin theta. N is the students A cos theta comma 0. This is the students A comma 0. So first Pn square by A dash n, after that An. So this is the students minus A comma 0. My dear students, first Pn is nothing but A. What is the Pn is of length? B sin theta. What is the students? Pn is of length. Pn is of the length ordinate, that is B sin theta. Now students, A dash n into An. A dash n into An. A dash n. A dash n is the student, this is Cn plus Ca dash. Cn is the students A cos theta. This is the students A cos theta minus A. So Cn plus Ca dash is the A dash n. That is the students A cos theta plus A. This is the students of length A. Is it clear? This is the A. This is A cos theta. A dash n is A cos theta plus A. So after that An. How to write An? An is the student Ca of length A. A minus A cos theta. This is of length A cos theta. The total length is the A minus A cos theta. That is the An. How to write this is A minus A cos theta. So what is written as? This is the total length A. A minus A cos theta is the An. So students, this is the common is the A. 1 plus cos theta. Here also common A. 1 minus cos theta. A into A square. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. That is 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is the students sin square theta. So now students, how can you write this is? The left hand side is there Pn square upon A dash n into An. This is what Pn square is. What is the student Pn square is? B square sin square theta. This is also A square sin square theta. So students, what you observe? B square by A square. What is the small b? Small b is the student, this is the length small b. The small b is the students BC square. BC whole square. What is the small a is the student? This is CA. BC square whole square by CA whole square. This is what? Right hand side. Is it clear, students? Write down. Now students, the one more question. Write down P theta, P of theta and D of pi by 2 plus theta are the 2 points on the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, so that the locus of the point of intersection, of the tangents at P and Q, so that the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents at P and Q to the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. What is the students? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. Now students, what we concerned here, how to write, my dear students? So this is the equation P of theta and D of 90 plus theta are the 2 points on the ellipse, so that the locus of the point of intersection of the tangent at P and Q on the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. Tangent at theta, dear students, tangent at theta to the ellipse, tangent at theta, P of theta to the ellipse is, everybody know that x cos theta by a, y sin theta by b equal to 1. Say that equation 1. My dear students, now we can write tangent at d of pi by 2 plus theta, tangent at d of pi by 2 plus theta to the ellipse is, that is x into cos of 90 plus theta, x into cos of 90 plus theta, y into sin of pi by 2 plus theta upon b equal to 1. This is the students, cos 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. This is minus sin theta by a. Sin of 90 plus lies in second quadrant, sin is positive. That is y cos theta by b equal to 1. So students, we can remove theta by using 1 square plus 2 square. This is a plus b whole square, this is a minus b whole square. A square is x square by a square cos square theta, x square by a square sin square theta. So students, x square by a square cos square theta plus sin square theta. After that students, the b square is y square by b square, y square by b square what is the common is the students? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2ab 2xy cos theta minus sin theta by ab minus 2xy sin theta cos theta by ab cancel. 1 plus 1 that is 2. Dear students, cos square theta plus sin square theta, here also sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, that is x square by a square y square by b square is equal to 2. Is it clear students? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 2. Write down students. Now student, the another question. This is also quite very easy. Prove that chord joining P alpha and q beta, P alpha and q beta on the ellipse x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1, subtend a right angle at the vertex. Subtend a right angle at the vertex a comma 0. Okay students, then so that tan of alpha by 2 into tan of alpha by 2 into tan of beta by 2 equal to minus of b square by a square. Tan of alpha by 2 into tan of beta by 2 equal to minus of b square by a square. Dear students, how can you write this is the students? My dear students, how can you write this is? So students, here we can recognize the chord joining. This is an ellipse. So the chord is this one. Dear students, P alpha. P alpha means A cos alpha, B sin alpha. Q beta means what is the students? A cos beta, B sin beta. A cos beta, B sin beta. So this is subtend a right angle. So this is subtend a right angle. My dear students, subtend a right angle at the vertex. That means students, subtend a right angle at the vertex. Vertex is the a comma 0. So students, when AP is perpendicular to the AQ, that is slope of AP into slope of AQ equal to minus 1. What is the slope is? My dear student, the slope is here x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is the student? That is minus of b sin alpha minus 0 upon a minus a cos alpha. This is the students y2 minus y1 minus b sin beta upon a minus a cos beta equal to minus 1. So students, what is the meaning? Minus into minus plus. b into b, that is a b square. What is the sin alpha? Is the form from the submultiple angles. 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. After that, b into b square, sin beta is the students 2 sin beta by 2 into cos of beta by 2 upon is there, a is the common, here also a is the common, a into a square, a into a square, 1 minus cos alpha, 1 minus cos alpha is the students 2 sin square alpha by 2. So 1 minus cos beta is the students, 1 minus cos beta is the 2 sin square beta by 2. This is minus 1. My dear students, what we observed here, the 2 cancel. One time sin alpha is the cancel. So what is there? One time sin alpha is cancel, and also sin beta is also cancel. What is there, students? 2 also cancel. The b square by a square. What is there? Cos by sin, cot of alpha by 2. Cos beta by sin beta, cot beta by 2 equal to minus 1. These are sending other side. 1 by cot, reciprocal of cot tan. Therefore, students, the tan of alpha by 2, tan of beta by 2, that is the minus b square by a square. This is what? This is sending to the other side. 1 by cot tan, 1 by cot beta by 2, tan beta by 2. So the minus multiple with minus, this is minus b square by a square. Okay, students. So dear students, so tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 is the students minus b square by a square. So dear students, the one more concept is there, that is conjugate, the diameter and conjugate diameters. Diameter is the students the locus of the midpoint of the system of the parallel chords of the ellipse is called diameter. After that, students, conjugate diameters. 2 diameters are said to be conjugate diameters. So that is, students, each one bisects the other chords. That is called as conjugate diameters. Actually, students, the syllabus from the last 3 years back, the diameters and conjugate diameters and also the conjugate points, these are all deleted from the advanced students, but our reference books is there, but the syllabus deleted. Okay, student, in reference books and also our material, this concept is there, but that is deleted from the advanced and my JEE Mains syllabus. Okay, students, just I will give the brief introduction in the tomorrow class. Okay, students, thank you all.